And after that win by Brewer, we moved to 141 pounds. Meet a couple of All-Americans. Mike Nevinger, a two-time All-American for Cornell in the red, ranked 4th in the country. 10-1 on the season, hasn't had a whole lot of action. While Nick Lester is a returning All-American, that's from 2 years ago. Currently unranked at the moment. And Lester quickly in on the shot. Trying to scoot through the back door. Tries to turn in. And there's 2 for Lester, so he'll strike first. Lester very tenacious on top, likes to ride the legs, as you see right there. There's a leg in. Nevinger stands up out of it. Lester still hanging on. Nevinger trying to turn in, and we'll get a fresh start. Just under a minute gone by here at 141 pounds. Cornell leading Oklahoma 6-4. Now these two top 11 teams. Cornell ranked 4th. Oklahoma ranked 11th. Now there's Lester with the boot in. Tried that half crab ride to suck Nevinger back down to the mat. Nevinger hanging on. Excuse me, Lester hanging on to Nevinger, that is. And we'll get a quick stalemate. Lester out of Eureka, Missouri, while Nevinger out of Perry, New York, at a Letchworth Central High School. Riding time now up over a minute for Nick Lester. Lester riding a bit high, but he's got the body scissored there. Now trying to crank Nevinger over. Ooh, that looks painful. Referee Lenny Gino there looking at things to make sure it's good. Lester with Nevinger fully extended. Oh, and he cranks him over. Lester's going to look for 6 here. There's the fall, the upset. Nick Lester gives Boomer Sooners 6 more points. And Oklahoma has jumped out to a 10-6 lead as Nick Lester pins the two-time All-American Mike Nevinger.